Hey guys, hope you are having an awesome day. Today I'm so excited because I'm about to share with you how you can be making $300 online, and this one is something that works worldwide. For all of you guys who have been asking on my channel to be showing you what work worldwide, you don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. I will be sharing with you in a minute a strategy that can be helping you to earn $300. So we will simply use Google to do everything. We will be using Google to do our research. So I know everyone know about Google. So as soon as you have access to internet, that's all you need, guys, and you won't pay any fee. It will cost you $0. So this one, you will just simply go somewhere and find some free ebooks that can be like the right to sell the ebook is already given to you, so you can take the ebook and sell it for free. Now you go back on some platform where you can be selling those an ebook that you pay for free, and you will start reselling the ebook for like maybe $1-2 or maybe sometimes $3, depending on you. The prices, you are the only one doing the choice of the price, but I recommend you to start selling ebooks for a low cost, since as you're having it for free. You're having $0, so as soon as you sell it, every $1 you are earning $1 back. Okay, on some platform you will have to pay some fee because you are using their platform, so they will be asking you to pay some fee to use their platform. Maybe they will charge you 5% on each sale you made or some stuff like that, but that's not too much, since as it's zero, you are paying your ebook for $0, guys. So if you are new to this channel, I would like to receive more video like this talking about how we can be making free money, guys. Click the subscribe button below. Click the notification bell as well, so each time a new video like this is out, you won't miss it. You will be the first to get notified about it. So without wasting a lot of time, let's dive in the content phase. Okay guys, so what I will be sharing with you, I want you to pay close attention. I want you to pay 100% attention to this, and follow step by step through the video as we advance. So, or you can be watching all the video, understand the process, then come back and rewatch it a second time, so and start taking step by step to really master what I'm sharing with you today. So here we are on Google. On Google, you will have to go and type resell right weekly. You can see right here. When you click on resell right weekly, you will see right here the first one where you say resell right weekly free private label. Click on it, then you'll be direct on a page like this. On this page, don't pay attention to all of this stuff. If you want to read it, it's okay, but it's up to you. You can read it, but that's too much. It's testimony about all this stuff, guys. So you want to go down to the page, because here is where we'll be downloading our free ebook. So now what you want to do is that you want to come right here on this where it says free instant access. On free instant access, yeah, right here where it says click to join now. I want you to click on it, then you'll be direct on a page like this where we'll be asking you about some information. Here, make sure you select for free. Select free, because if you select the website also have a membership, but if you are into making the membership, guy, you can go ahead with the membership. And remember, this one is not an affiliate. I'm not affiliate with them, so When I'm saying you over here, I'm just trying to share with you a knowledge that I got. So and I would like you to be making money with it. So here, as I said again, I want you to select the free, because if you select the membership, you will be charging some fee. As I said in my video, it's gonna be for free. So click on free, then fill your information in here, give first and last name, your email address, give your please put in an email that you know that you have access to actually, because they will be sending you an activation code in there that you have to activate your account. So now after, when you are done, click on submit. When you click on submit, let me just log in a little bit to show you what a website will actually look like. Here is what your dashboard will look like when you receive your, after filling your information and you receive your, after you activate your account. So here is what it will look like, guys. So what I want you to do over here is right here where you say all member. You can have right here free member download. And if you want, right here they are offering you an offer to upgrade your account for $1. You can upgrade it and obtain the gold. If you obtain the gold, here's what you will be receiving. So now just click on free member download. In here you will find ebooks. As you can see, the ebooks over here are coming. You can have the ebooks of from August 2007 to August 2019, guys. So what you want to do is that just select any period for the example, for the purpose of this video. For example, we will choose like July, and in July you will see here you have so many. Selling benefit is still the name on the game. Here is an ebook. This ebook, if you want, you can click on to go and see what the sale page actually look like. Here is the sale page of this, but it's not what we actually want. We want our free ebook. So to download your free ebook guide, you will have to click right here, selling free ebook. Click here to download. So as soon as you click on it, your ebook will be download. So when you download, let's dive on ebook on eBay now. I want to share a little bit something with you how we will be earning our money, because right here you can see that there are many ebooks on sale. Here the ebook you can see 99 cents, 99 cents, 99 cents. So there are many ebooks over there. Here you can see here is also a bundle of ebook. What I was saying, you can also purchase this one, this right here, and start selling all the ebooks that's into it with the strategy I will be sharing with you lately. So right here you can see $9.99. If you go even on Amazon, you can see here an ebook is $2.99, $14.99, and you can keep going. So and here you can see the reviews, how many people purchase this product, guy. So you can see right here 1,000 of copy sell with $12. So now the next step we will be doing is that we go on Google. Back over here, I want you to go over here. You will just copy the ebook of this. Like just an example, let's say you want to sell this ebook. So let's just copy the name. Just come over here and paste the name of the ebook. Press play and go. Just to see how many pages we got. So we got actually like 10 page result. So that's not too, it's a little bit too many, but you can also, that's a simple way you can be checking to see if you want to sell a product or not. So see what is the competition with this product before decide to sell it. So you can test like that, test many of those books and decide exactly make a list of like 20 books you want to sell. Then go back on those platforms. You can be selling them on Amazon. You has also got one over here, Payhip. Payhip is also somewhere this will work. Let me log in to show you a little bit what this one. It's simple, guy, and it's free. I mean, this one will charge you some free as Amazon as well. They will charge you some small fee. I think it's $5. Yeah, $5 to per yeah for every book you sell. So here is it. Here is your store. You can add a product. Add a product. Do it like that. We do it later. So now let's see over there on analytic. You also have a view over here where you can be analyzing how much you sell and what is going on in your store, because actually you got an ebook store, guy. So here is what it's all about. Now, so with this strategy, just do the same with all of them. Now, as I was saying, the second thing I was saying over here is that this right here, you can see over here a package of ebook collection. You can also purchase the ebook collection, as I was saying. Then you decide to sell each ebook with its own prices. You can come back on eBay and sell it, or you can sell it back on Amazon as well, or Pay also. On Pay, you are the only one who decide the price of your book. If you want to sell it for $5, it's up to you. If you want to sell it to $10, it's up to you. But as I said, try to sell it at the low cost at the beginning. Sell it around maybe $2. That's up to you, but make sure you sell it at the low cost, because as I said, you are not paying any stuff. Any ebook, guy, is a free ebook you are selling, so you are not losing money. That's all. Yeah. So that's all I got for you today, guy. That's all I got for you today. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, just click the like button below. If you are new to this channel and you haven't yet subscribed, just click the subscribe button below and click the notification bell as well. So each time I will be making a new video, you will be the first to receive it. And everything about this video, like any website and stuff like that, you will find it in the description below. If you have a friend or someone who may like to receive more video like this, guy, don't hesitate to share it with him. And